Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and my friends, I'm going to teach you right now how to build a Falcon. So let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, we are here to make another airplane. Today we are going to make the fantastic Falcon. I'm going to mark this as T for top so I can keep things straight. The first thing that we're going to do is a hamburger style fold. My piece of paper is ripped, but I'm going to try and work with it anyhow just because I like to be frugal. I am putting the rip down at what I'm going to call the tail end. Now I'm going to mark this corner where we just made a fold, and we're going to take this corner and we're going to touch it to that corner and make a really sharp crease. Once again, friends, the more accurately you make these, the better your planes fly. Open that back up, and now I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to put a little pencil mark there so I keep track of where it's connecting. Because if we've learned anything from making these paper airplanes, it is accuracy and sharp creases make projects better. So we did hamburger, 2 folds, and now, my friends, we're back to the traditional hot dog style. Once again, making sure that you've got those as straight as you can, and then crease as sharp as you can. And open it back up. Alright, friends, so this is where it starts to get magical. Bring these in and fold this down. Go right to this edge and make sure that you're making the line that's going to go straight down your aircraft. And then do the same thing with the other side as well. When those are lined up perfect, then this will start to pop. I'm going to go up on the line here. We made that line a while ago, and there's a mark there and there's a mark there, both in the middle. And the more you have this in the middle, the easier it is to pop your finger in there, turn that into the new crease, and sharpen your airplane for your Falcon so it looks just like that. Alright, friends, this next step is we want to fold it over at this line. The more accurately you fold these, notice I'm keeping it straight down here in the middle, the better those points turn out. I've missed by a little bit, but we're going to go with it, and then just the next time I fold it, I'll try and get a little better. Now, friends, we flip it over. I'm going to put a B back here just so that you guys notice I'm using the back side, and then we are going to fold it in half. Once again, creasing it. And then this is where the plane gets awesome, but a little bit tricky. I'm going to flip it over and do this side first. I'm going to pick a spot right here. And it's not really where you pick. You just want a spot, and then you want to make a real good crease, and then you want to open it up. Then you want to make another spot just a little bit down. I'm marking mine with a pencil. And you want to fold that, and then when it opens up, so I folded and now I'm opening, then you can pull that down to make the sweet winglet that's at the front of our airplane. We wrap that front piece up by opening it over and giving it the extra strength as well. Now you have one winglet complete. That's going to give our Falcon its unique shape. Let's do the same thing on this side. I'm peeking to see where my folds were. It was about right here. We fold across, fold it back open, and then we're making the cross right about here. And then we stick our finger in and open that up so it lets it push it down, and then we wrap that piece over to give it its cool design. At this point, you can flip your craft over and you get to make the awesome wings that make the Falcon such a great glider. When you open it up, awesome winglets in the front and an epic plane that has a good heavy front end, so it should be a decent glider. Alrighty, friends, so now that you've made the awesome Falcon, it's time to take it outside and see how well it flies. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.